Calling attention, Benji Vegas.
To call the attention of the Minister for Health to the following matter of urgent public importance. Fear and anxiety in the minds of the people of South Goa due to unavailability of ICU in the dialysis unit at the South Goa District Hospital. Hence, there is a hardship faced by people to take critical patients to GMC. The steps government intends to take in the matter.
I do agree with the honorable member is pertaining to having a full-fledged and functional ICU in the South Goa District Hospital, but I just want to assure you that I don't know whether you had seen the functioning of the hospital during the period of COVID when we had shifted it from the other hospital to and made the South Goa District Hospital with the support of the Chief Minister fully functional. We had a full-fledged functional ICU. We had also shifted certain doctors from the Goa Medical College and residents and ICU specialists to the hospital. At the moment, there are only 9 beds, but like you had mentioned, there's an interventionist, there's a requirement of an interventionist, which is very much essential, and we require them even in Goa Medical College. But what I just want to mention to you that a couple of things have been recently passed under the Ayushman Bharat Infrastructure Mission, also the 4th and 5th floor, which was lying vacant. We are converting into a critical care unit, and the money is being given by the central funding. So during this financial year, we need to implement and complete it. So we are taking it up, we are doing it. Along with that will come under NHM, we'll get certain amount of staffing. So be rest assured that what temporary arrangement was done then, and then came the election. So now we are back. Actually, this week itself, we have kept a series of meetings. I have had a meeting with the Secretary of Health, Mr. Rajshekhar, that we are also going to Delhi to meet Niti Aayog to give us their models of implementation and how do we get this type of specialized staff so as to run that hospital. Because you must have read also that we have shifted Unit 2 of the neurosurgery there so that in case of there are accidents, so Goa Medical College's 1 unit has been shifted there. Cardiac care and cath lab is a must. We are on it. And also the government of Goa in the recently in the recent cabinet, we have already cleared HLL, which is the Government of India undertaking, so to create a hub and spoke model where they will be looking after all the diagnostics parts of it. So basically they will be running it and they will assist, and that will help in complementing us in taking this forward. But what you are suggesting is a must, but also on top on the 4th and 5th floor, which is ideal. Earlier we were talking of having a medical college. It was actually dedicated for nursing. So that decision we will take at an appropriate time, but immediately to make the hospital fully functional, because the load on that hospital is high, and the old hospicio which is there, we are converting that into a nursing institute and a rehab center funded by the Government of India. But this, what you have suggested, give me little time. At the moment, I just before answering you, I was just asking her whether we can shift, like earlier what arrangement we had. We are planning to have that. So give me a little time, maybe immediately I'll sit after the session with the secretary and the dean and shift some staff there so that the present ICU with about 9-10 beds, it's fully equipped, but we require that the specialists there when we'll make it fully functional.
Okay, Speaker sir, to put a note that there were around 14,000 patients that were referred to Hospicio, from Hospicio Hospital to Margaon to GMC. In 2017 to 2021. On this note, I would like to thank Honorable HM because I have seen that he is really putting a lot of effort. Just 2 days back at around 1 o'clock, I called him and he immediately picked up my call and gave the required assistance. But saying that the only requirement for this ICU, the ICU is all ready. All the equipments are there. Sagle equipment aha, 3rd floor achir. Fokot intensivist, specialist jo aha, intensivist, toch aha, zay hodinga. That is missing. Intensivist jori tori adlo, nurse be soglo amkade aha. So if we can get in the next 15 to 30 days assurance for intensivist, just an assurance within the 1 month, if we can get one intensivist, and everything is there.
I will discuss with Honorable Chief Minister on contractual basis also. There are a lot of people of Goan origin who want to come. And also what we can do is we can work together on whatever it is. It's in Vijay's constituency. You are there, everybody, whole idea of the South Goa District Hospital to see that the referrals are reduced and people from South Goa don't have to come to North Goa. There's no idea of building this hospital if continuously in every assembly session we have to discuss why these referrals are happening. But be rest assured that as mentioned to you, we will act promptly and we will see that we get these interventions on board on contract basis or whatever via media to see that your demand is satisfied as per your satisfaction.
Speaker sir, keeping in mind monsoon is there. The whole thing is monsoon. खूप त्रास जाता व्हरपा लोकांक. पावसान इतली पावस पडटा and we are looking for more monsoons. So temporary contract is a perfect solution what you have given. But immediately जर तर execute जात जाल्यार चोवपाचें. It is the
Because
best.
sir, that's what I said. I am assuring you the same model that we followed during COVID, where we had to run the ICUs. We had step 1 and step 2. So whatever can be started immediately, we will start immediately so that the patients don't have to be moved from South Goa to Goa Medical College.
Vijay sir, sir.
एक म्हणजे कडेन लेटर आहा मुखेलमंत्र्याक डायलिसीस पेशंट मंत्री माझो बस डायलिसीस पेशंटांनी बरयलां सिनियर सिटीजनांनी ते म्हणटा कितें की आमकां एक मंथली हेल्थ स्कीम दिया म्हणून ताका 8 ते 10 हजार रुपया कॉस्ट येता म्हणटा ते म्हणटा आमी वयर वचचे पयलीं आमकां ही तुमी स्कीम दियात फॉर डायलिसीस पेशंट तुका हे लेटर बरयलें ताणी स्कीम ना
ती लेटर जे तुम्ही म्हणता ते विजय ऑनरेबल मेंबर विजय सरदेसाई जे म्हणटा ते माझे कडेन मातशें धाडून दिल्यार मागीर हांव आनी मुख्यमंत्री बसून खंय कितें आतां एक्चुअली आमी आतां सगळ्या फ्री दिता आमी आतां सगळी कडेन चालू करपाचें केलां सो वेर एवर दे वॉट यू गिव मी युअर लेटर लेट मी ऑल्सो अंडरस्टँड इट आमी आतां दिता सगळी कडेन तेच म्हणटा हांव
एक्स्ट्रा लागता म्हणजे हांवें एकदां इन्फॉर्मेशन काडल्या त्यानुसार सांगता प्रायवेट जे गव्हर्मेंट हॉस्पिटलान वचून डायलिसीस घेता तांकां पूर्णता फ्री जे प्रायवेट डायलिसीस घेता पळय न्ही तांकां फक्त एक्स्ट्रा कॉस्ट 2000 रुपीज लागता हांवें पर्सनली मॉनिटर केला म्हणून म्हणटा तांकां 2000 रुपया पर डायलिसीस एक्स्ट्रा दिवचे पडटा कारण ते इंजेक्टेबल काय कितें घेवचें पडटा इतकेंच आसा
स्पिकर सर ना
अदरवायज आमी फ्री ऑफ कॉस्टूच दिता म्हणून
ना मुख्यमंत्रीन जे सांगला ते एकदम खरी गोष्ट कारण आमचे कडेन पयलीं ती परिस्थिती आसली आमच्याकडे जेन्ना आमी सरकारान आयले तेन्ना दॅट इंजेक्टेबल वीच वॉज टू बी गिवन दॅट हॅड टू बी प्रोक्युर्ड फ्रॉम आउटसायड बट नाव एट एवरी सेंटर दॅट वी आर रनिंग इज रनिंग सक्सेसफुली एंड वी आर गिविंग दॅट फ्री ऑफ चार्ज. So basically that is covered as far and government is virtually we are on the verge of increasing it to every PHC and CHC which is in interior so that we are able to provide relief to the patient. So I think this issue will get resolved on but yet you give the letter. What Honorable CM said is absolutely correct. But injectables which are there, they are as far as the government of Goa is concerned, government of Goa is the only state in the country which is giving everything free including those injectables which were earlier not being given.
हांव एक ॲड करता ताकाच म्हणजे ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरान इनिशिएटिव्स घेवन म्हणजे गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज एंड दे वॉन्ट टू डू द रिसर्च गोंयांत डायलिसीसचे पेशंट इतके कित्याक वाडटा हे खरें रिसर्च करी सारकेलोच विशय आसा. काणकोण तालुक्यात नेत्रांबेता कंपॅरिजन वीथ द अदर स्टेट डे बाय डे डायलिसीस पेशंट्स खूपच वाडपाक लागल्या त्या खातीर तुमच्या युरोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट कॅन टेक द इनिशिएटिव्स एंड हॅविंग इवन दो IIT आमचे हे जे आसा पळय न्ही दे आर ऑल्सो डुईंग द रिसर्च अलॉंग
That's because of the water, no? It's already there.
या वॉट एवर द थिंग्स बट वी हॅव टू डू द रिसर्च आनी आमकां जी कितें प्रिकॉशन्स घेवपाक जाय ती लोकांक सांगची पडटली की ही प्रिकॉशन्स आमी घेवची पडटली त्या पद्दतीन म्हाका दिसता तेंच्यांनी इनिशिएटिव्स घेवचो रिसर्च करचो अलॉंग विथ द IIT WHO हांच्या बरोबर मेळून रिसर्च करचो आनी अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट लोकांक एडवायस करचें.
Sir, but
एक मिनिट
एकच इंटरव्यू एक पहिली जी स्कीम आसताली ती डायलिसिसाक गव्हर्मेंट इज टू रिएम्बर्स द मनी फॉर पर्टिक्युलर नंबर ऑफ डायलिसीस पर मंथ म्हयन्याक एक 15,000 मॅक्झिमम डायलिसीस हें करताले पूण तेन्ना कशें आशिल्लें तेन्ना गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन तशी फॅसिलिटी नाशिल्ली. आज गव्हर्मेंटान सगळे कडेन तुमी तांकां फ्री डायलिसीस दिता पूण कितें जाता डायलिसिसाचे पेशंट्स आनी तांची फामील सफर्स लायक एनीथींग. फक्त डायलिसीस केलें म्हणून चीफ मिनिस्टरान सांगलें की मिनिमम 2,000 एक्चुअली ते म्हणटात की 3 ते 4,000 तांकां म्हयन्याक खर्च येता बाकीचे सगळे मेडिसिन्स आनी कितें आसा.
I just want to intervene.
तुम्ही बसा मातशें.
दॅट इज द फॅक्ट. सो ताजेर मातशें तुमी कितें पळया अशें म्हणटालो दॅट इज